these pillars come to life for customers and, frankly, our approach towards solving these problems. We set the stage a little bit. A year ago, we were really, frankly, just talking about AI concepts, and the demos were all fresh and pretty early. A lot of customers were kind of questioning, hey, is AI just a fad? Is it going to take root? You kind of let things process, and after a little while, I think customers were coming to our EBC saying, hey, listen, Judson, pretty sure the AI robots are coming to kill us, so what can you do to help? So we went from disbelief to utter fear in a couple of months. And now customers come to our EBC with literally 400 big ideas of all of the things they think they can get done with AI, with the number one question being, hey, where should we get started? And how do we know if the investments we're going to make in AI are actually going to take root? I love to use these 4 categories because to me they're a great checklist of whether your AI experiment is actually going to add value. Is it going to enrich the experience of your employees? Is it going to dramatically change how you engage with customers and make you more effective at having those personalized relationships with your customer community and be more effective at selling what you sell? Is it going to enable you to reshape business processes as a whole? And how are you thinking about AI-first business processes inside your organization? And finally, will this scenario enable you to bend the curve on innovation? Because we think these 4 categories are, in fact, alive and well inside of Microsoft as we drink our own champagne on this AI transformation journey. Just to sort of kind of ground you all in these categories and what we experience inside of even my organization, we have M365 Copilot rolled out across all 65,000 people at MCAPS. You might